Subaru debuts refreshed 2023 Ascent 3 ROW SUV featuring new styling, enhanced safety features, and updated multimedia. They announced the 2023 Ascent 3-row family SUV with updated styling as well as new safety and in-vehicle technologies. Also new for 2023, the Onyx Edition trim level receives new exterior and interior accents and a comprehensive option package. Ascent receives a bolder look thanks to a new front fascia incorporating a more prominent grille, redesigned LED headlights, and a more aggressive front bumper cover. The new front bumper cover features new lower edge air ducts to improve aerodynamic flow under the vehicle. At the back of the vehicle, updated, C-shaped taillights further exemplify the SUV's fresh new look for 2023. Built on the Subaru global platform, the Ascent delivers an unparalleled driving experience with a spacious interior offering comfortable and flexible seating options. The US-built Ascent is the most versatile Subaru ever with 8-person seating or available captain's chairs in the second row for 7-person seating. Powered by a 260-horsepower 2.4-liter turbocharged Subaru Boxer engine, the Ascent comes standard with Subaru's high-torque Lineartronic CVT featuring an 8-speed manual mode function and steering wheel paddle shifters to give the driver added control. This powertrain allows up to 5,000-pound towing capacity with standard trailer stability assist.